Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Lou Fusz Ford to look at a 2019 Ford F-150 4x4 4-door Platinum. Here we go. So let's review the 2019 Ford F-150 Supercrew Platinum. It's offered in gray exterior with black leather interior. This vehicle is offered by Lou Fusz Ford in St. Louis. As we move around to the tailgate of the vehicle, we see the LED taillights. You can see the Platinum badging right across the center there. You can see the backup camera, as well as it's pre-wired for 4-pin and 7-pin for your trailer, as well as a lockable spare. We have Max Trailer Tow Package, 36-gallon extended range fuel tank, Pro Trailer Backup Assist, trailer sway control, remote tailgate step. We'll show more of that here in a little bit. Has the EcoBoost, you can see right there. 4x4 badging on the side. We'll show in a little bit, we have the power running boards. We'll show that in actual motion. We have 20-inch polished aluminum wheels wrapped with 275/55 R20 all-terrain tires. As we move around to the front of the vehicle, we have daytime running lamps, quad beam LED headlights, LED fog lights. We also have LED bed lighting. Hey, it's the Videopreneur. If you like the videos, hit like, subscribe, make a comment, hell, hit the bell on the way out. Thanks again for watching. As we jump into the rear of the vehicle, we have the second row is a 60/40 full down bench seat. They are heated. And here we can see a great view of the dashboard. We'll show more of the panoramic moonroof in a little bit. Really is impressive. As we move around to the driver and passenger seating, we have a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel with fingertip controls. There we have a great look at the center stack. We'll talk more about that in a moment. And power driver and passenger seat. They're heated and vented. There you see the power running boards, as well as the F-150 Platinum badging. Here's the Easy Fill fuel tank. You don't even have to take that off. You just take the nozzle and go ahead and fill. Here you can see the additional power ports for the rear seats. Plenty of power in the back, as well as heated seats for both the rear seats as well as the front seats. Great look at the 8-inch center stack entertainment section. We'll touch more of that in a moment when we get to the front seat. Genuine wood accents. You also have a keyless entry, both on your key fob as well as punch the code in there. And here you see the power running boards again. We have power one-touch windows. You simply hit the button, it will go down, and hit the button again, it will go up. Automatic headlights. The steering column is tilt and telescopic, and it's power. Leather-wrapped shift knob. There's the power trailer hookup for the brakes. Platinum badging for the leather seats, and there you can get a great look at the vented seats. Here we see the power windows as well as the power mirrors. The power mirrors are heated, as well as power folding mirrors. The driver's gauge cluster and fingertip controls on your steering wheel. We have adaptive cruise, backup camera, 360-degree camera, remote start, 8-inch productivity screen with Sync 3. Here we're going through the functionality of the seats, both vented and heated. Nice little cubby with additional power ports. That cubby's very deep. There you can see the trailer backup. The center console is really deep. Here I show just how deep it is. Plenty of room for your business belongings or personal belongings. Just a great truck to run your business out of. Dual zone climate control. 4-wheel drive. Additional power ports for the front driver and passenger seats. We have a B&O premium audio. It's voice activated navigation, blind spot and cross traffic alert. Here we punch through the various apps on the touchscreen. Here you can see the backup camera. As I mentioned, the blind spot with cross traffic alert. 360-degree camera. Here you can see the panoramic moonroof. As we open it up, what a beautiful day, beautiful blue sky. If the sun's too much, simply close the sunshade. Dual panel. Here we see the rear tailgate. It is lockable and it's an easy down tailgate, as you see right there, as well as you can see the step model here. You slide that out and it makes it easy to step in. We have LED bed lighting, as well as lockable tie-down hooks. It's a remote tailgate release as well. There's the lockable tie-down hooks with the tailgate step. It's really a light tailgate too. You can close it easily, as you'll see here in a second. Close it with one hand, as seen right there. The engine is a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost that produces 450 horsepower, made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission with tow mode, 4-wheel drive, giving you 17 city and 23 highway. Vehicle's priced at $65,170 on the sticker price. There you can see the forward-facing camera and the tow hooks.